But he likes camera. He's a good boy. Sit.
Sit.
No.
Good boy.
Sit.
Insurance.
They have that stuff.
Not family paid.
Family paid
Not
what?
company paid for family coverage.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you mean like
You'll be paying.
What did you do?
Swim.
What else did you do?
Yeah.
Did you go down the slide?
Yeah.
No? Oh, yes. You went down the slide. Dude, this place is huge. Like, you can't see it, but they got like over on the left is all sand. So they got like sand beaches. It's all like concrete sand. Like, it's huge. No, but you knew how to hit a 40-pound raccoon in the road. Yeah, I'm like, dude, I just paid like $100-something for an alive. I'm like, there's like this like raccoon in the road that's dead, the size of a damn dog. And I'm like, don't hit the raccoon, don't hit it. It's like, boom, like ran right over the damn thing.
Well, and then I was like, well, I thought, and they say, if
I was
there's
like,
something in the way, you're supposed to just go and not.
No, you know what she said? I said, what the hell? I told you not to hit. She's like, I didn't know. I closed my eyes. What are you closing your eyes for? You're driving a car.